Hello everyone, we'll learn about time and loudness event blocks. These are essentially subblocks in actually the sensing code block and they're also used in event subblock. So they are part of the event blocks as well as the sensing code blocks as I just mentioned. Timer, it is basically a variable which keeps incrementing when the project execution starts. The value is displayed in seconds. It can be used as a stimulus for other code blocks. Loudness. It is also a variable which tracks the sound in the microphone and it can be used as a stimulus in the event block. It helps to execute a certain section of the code event when a certain stimuli is applied. The timer and loudness variables, they are actually part of the sensing code block which we'll be learning in future videos. The values sensed are used in the event blocks. This is how the event and loudness and timer blocks looks like under the event and sensing code blocks, and we'll be going through each of these in our today's video. This is what the project screen is going to look like. So let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome to my video on the events timer and loudness section. I'm keeping the same block as we had in the last video just so that we can reuse those sections and then learn further on loudness and timer. So now if we select this block when loudness is greater than something. Now before we go there, let's understand what loudness and timer blocks are. So they are part of the sensing code blocks, and if you go and select these loudness and timer, it would show up there. So let's just select loudness for now. So as you could see, if I'm not speaking and if I speak higher, my microphone voice gets transmitted and the loudness section or how loud I'm speaking. So if I speak softly, the loudness section is very slow. And if I talk loudly, as you could see, it goes into higher 70s, 80s and 90s. So essentially what it is doing is if let's say somebody speaks something or says something, execute this particular code. That's what loudness is all about. So let's say when we say when loudness is more than maybe 50, say, and let me just duplicate this block, say I am speaking pretty loud, or you are speaking pretty loud, you are speaking pretty loud, and then just say hello, I am in the loudness block. So that's what it's going to do. So let's just go here and we stop the code, and as you see I'm speaking pretty softly, but it just, I think it's sensing it beyond 50. Maybe let me just make this a little bit more higher, 90. So now I'm speaking softly, nothing changes, but let me speak a little loudly and see if I can cross the 90 barrier. Probably not, 90 is too high. Maybe let me just make it 80. Yep, I think let me just see. Can I cross the 80 barrier? No, I can't. All right, so let me just make it 50. Let me just do a stop. Stop. So you could see I can easily cross the 50 barrier. Maybe let me make this 70 just to show you that how this gets activated. So now I'm not doing anywhere. I'm not clicking. Now as soon as I spoke beyond 70, this got triggered automatically. Am I beyond 70 right now? No. Hello. Yep. If you see, I was speaking loud and this block gets executed. So that's pretty much what the loudness block is all about. Let me remove this code because I don't want this to trigger again. And instead of loudness, if we select timer, now in timer, we can actually again go back to the sensing block and select the timer. So timer is nothing but it tells you for how many seconds this project has been going on. So let's say if we want to duplicate this and put it in here, and I will say I'm in timer event now, and maybe we'll just say when the timer is beyond 310 seconds, we're almost reaching there, so this is 305, 306, 307, 8, 9, 10. Cool. So as soon as the timer increased 310, it went into this block and executed it. So these are pretty interesting and neat blocks which would be very helpful for our further advanced coding. I hope you like these loudness and timer blocks. Until then, bye bye. Let me know how you like this video. Feel free to drop me a message on my email or in the comment section below. Look forward to hearing from you. Until then, take care and bye bye. Thanks everyone for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. I look forward to your feedback, comments, and questions. You can reach out to me at learnscratchlearn@gmail.com or visit our website https://learnscratchlearn.wordpress.com. Please do check out the disclaimer posted on our website at https://learnscratchlearn.wordpress.com/disclaimer-note. Now, this is the disclaimer, I'll just read it for you. We are doing our best to prepare the content of this website. However, Learn Scratch Learn cannot guarantee the expressions and suggestions of the contents as well as its accuracy. In addition to the extent permitted by the law, Learn Scratch Learn shall not be responsible for any losses and/or damages due to the usage of this information on our website. Our disclaimer was generated with the help of the disclaimer template generator and the disclaimer generator. By using our website and YouTube channel, you hereby consent to our disclaimer and agree to its terms. The links contained on our website may lead to external sites which are provided for convenience only. Any information or statements that appeared in these sites are not sponsored, endorsed, or otherwise approved by Learn Scratch Learn. For these external sites, Learn Scratch Learn cannot be held liable for the availability of or the content located on or through it, plus any losses or damages occurred from using these contents or the internet generally. Under no circumstances will Learn Scratch Learn be responsible or liable in any way for any content, including but not limited to any errors or omissions in the content, or for any loss or damage of any kind incurred as a result of any content communicated on this YouTube page, whether by Learn Scratch Learn or a third party. In no event shall Learn Scratch Learn be liable for any special, indirect, or consequential damages or any damages whatsoever resulting from loss of use, data, or profits arising out of or in connection with the availability, use, or performance of any information communicated on this YouTube page, channel, videos, or blog. Visitors to this YouTube page may post videos and opinions in reaction to our videos. Any contents, views, opinions, and/or responses of questions uploaded, expressed, or submitted by the creators, sponsors, or advertisers of YouTube, including its web pages, message boards, and groups, or otherwise communicated through it, other than the content provided by the Learn Scratch Learn, are solely the views, opinions, and responsibility of the person submitting them, and do not necessarily reflect the opinion of Learn Scratch Learn. Learn Scratch Learn is not responsible or liable for the content that third-party publishers post, upload, distribute, disseminate, or otherwise transmit via YouTube. Thank you.